cancel flight free? Booked a flight and instantly regretted it? You might cancel free, legally. Here's the play. For any itinerary to or from the U.S., if you buy at least 7 days before departure, airlines and most major U.S.-based OTAs must offer one of two options: either let you hold the fare for 24 hours before paying, or give you a full refund if you cancel within 24 hours after purchase. Many carriers choose the refund route, even on non-refundable tickets, so it's your built-in do-over. Key fine print: the clock starts the moment you pay. Within 7 days of departure, there's no mandate. Group bookings, some bulk fares, and certain third-party sellers may be excluded. Award tickets aren't guaranteed by regulation, though many airlines mirror the policy. It's for cancellations, not changes. Rebooking means buying a new ticket. How to use it? Cancel online immediately, confirm the timestamp, and watch for a refund to your original payment method. Then rebook the flight you actually want. Don't wait until hour 23.